Question 7, we've got f of x equals x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6. We can use a factor theorem to show that x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. So of course if we use an x plus 2, then we are going to be using f of minus 2, and then of course if we plug it in then and it's a factor, it should equal 0. So we use f of minus 2, we're going to have minus 2 cubed plus 4 times minus 2 squared plus minus 2 minus 6. So that'll be minus 8 plus 16 minus 2 minus 6. And of course this equals 0, so we know then that x plus 2 is a factor. And on to part B. We just proved that x plus 2 is a factor, and we want to obtain all the other factors of this cubic. So we want x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6 to equal 3 brackets, like x plus 2, etc. So what we're going to do is we're going to use long division. I think that's what they want in the question anyway. Yeah, so we want to use long division to factorise this completely. So we know x plus 2 is a factor. So we're going to divide it into x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6. Again, as I've done this previously, you look at the first two again. So x into x cubed, that gives us x squared. Once you've got one of these on top, then you've got to multiply it by the divisor. So x squared times x is x cubed, x squared times 2 is 2x squared. And as I said this many times, you're probably sick of hearing it, you know you're going right because these two will be the same, they'll cancel out. So x cubed minus x cubed gone, 4x squared minus 2x squared will give us 2x squared, plus x minus 6. So we got a new focus now. We're looking at x plus 2 into 2x squared plus x minus 6. So again, x into 2x squared will give us 2x. 2x times 2x times x will give us 2x squared. 2x times 2 will give us 4x. And of course we can compare then. They cancel, and then you've got x minus 4x will give us minus 3x. And then of course minus 6 comes down there. So minus 3x divided by x will give us minus 3. And of course minus 3x and minus 3 times 2 gives minus 6. And of course that proves our theory in part A that x plus 2 is a factor. Now what we need to do is obviously factorise this cubic completely. So we've got x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6, and then at the moment what we've got is x plus 2, and we've got x squared plus 2x minus 3, like that. So we need to factorise this, and then we've got the 3 brackets that we're after. Now this is quite a nice cubic to factorise, there's no horrible number in front of the x squared, which is great. So we want two numbers to multiply together to give us minus 3, add together to give us 2. And of course if we have a look then, we're going to have x plus 2, and then of course we're going to have x plus 3 and x minus 1, like that. And that is your final answer. Part C then, so leading on from part B, this is 1 mark, so very straightforward. You're just stating the solutions. Now we found out that these are the roots, so you got x plus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 1. Then you know your roots are x equals minus 2, x equals minus 3 and x equals 1, and that's it.